Hey everybody, today we're actually able to get our hands on the Dewalt 735 benchtop planer. So we're going to open it up and see what we can do. All right, here it is. We finally got it out of the box. A little bit more setup to do, and we'll start testing and getting some boards ran through it. All right, I think we got it set up. We're going to go ahead and take it for a spin here. I think I got it adjusted. We're just going to run a couple boards through it real quick. As always, safety first. All right, I do have to say that's a pretty smooth finish here. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and get started, run a couple of boards through it that we have, and hope for the best. All right, I actually got one of my cutting boards in here, ready to go ahead and put it through and see what happens. Well, I do have to say that this is just coming out incredibly smooth. Obviously saves a significant amount of time versus using hands, so we'll just keep her going. All right, well overall I am just thrilled with the quality of this work here. Yeah, I mean it's perfect. I use the finishing settings and it does like I believe 179 cuts per inch on the finish setting. And so this is just smooth, ready to just start sanding and hit with some oil. So these are almost ready for the customer.